Alright, what's up, boys? You already know I'm back with a absolute another banger. Well, that's nice. There are LTDs and new um, Ultimate Legends. This is gonna get annoying. Alright. Yeah, I forgot who they were. Well, Walter Payton's one. I know that, and then I'm trying to think. Um, Ted Hendricks is the LTD, and another Will Clark is the Niners LTD, which I want. Then there's a 99 Richard Sherman. What do we get? 96. I'll just quick sell that. Yeah, that's nice. But yeah. Nothing in there. $99. Damn, 89. Alright. Nothing so far. Jesus. Alright. Ooh, who's this? 80. Oh, great. A Joe Montana would be nice, but alright. TVPs, since we got some pretty decent amount of training. Ooh. Oh. Dude, no way. Let's fucking go. 97 sauce. That's clutch. Might just be that guy. Please don't be something trash now. 44,000. I'll take that. Alright. 100K. It's quite nice. $55K. That's nice. Sauce Gardner's clutch though. Alright, well, that's not as good, but hey, not everything's gonna be, profit. Alright. Well, could be better than that. Oh, great. Two. Oh, jeez. Come on. These next couple packs have to be lit. Alright. I just went to see how much he is. That's, it's not bad, but I'll take it. I mean, It'll cover. No, I'm just playing. Alright. Maybe it'll sell by the end of the video, but if not, it's alright. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna open a special offer. It's gonna be this. Hopefully we get something crazy out of it. Maybe an LTD. I don't know. Or maybe this was just a bunch of, or waste of a bunch of coins. Even though it's 100K, it's easy to make 100K back on these, but 89, oh great, 289s. I'm taking, great. Alright, we gotta clutch up in this next pack to even try to make a little, some of my coins back. Kind of lagged there. Alright. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, let's go. Oh, shit. Oh, well, I didn't mean to cuss, but, dude. 98. Let's go. And a 95. I might just quick sell the 95, though. Depends on how shiesty I feel right now. Dude, what a W. Oh my god. Let's go see what they sell for. Come on. Sauce hasn't sold yet. Don't expect them to. Almost 500K. Jeez. Let's go. Selling him instantly. I hope. If I can figure out the right price for him. I'm kind of lowballing him. Or not, actually. Hold up. I'm trying to think. What am I trying to fucking... Damn. I don't know if I want to just like put them up for a price. I'm just gonna quick sell them, I think. Yeah, I'll just quick sell them. Alright, let's open some more packs. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, dude, please, 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 Ted Hendricks. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's go, dude. Hey, am I him? Am I like that? Dude, I might just be like Hemi Neutron. Dude, no fucking... How much did he sell for? Oh, dude, 2 back weeks of getting limiteds, and they're over 100K. Dude. I'm just different. I'm just built different. Alright, I guess that's what I'd get for balling out. Jeez. I'm just him. Ooh, and 100K. Let's go. Wonder if he sold. Oh yeah, duh. My bad. Let's go. Almost 2 mil. That's the most ever coins I've had. I honestly just think I'm him, but yeah, if y'all like this video, comment down below, like the video. If you haven't already and you think your friends would like me, share them to them. But see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye. Have a good day.